Hello everybody, I am Zündkerzen. I am going to describe how you can replace your spark plugs on a Toyota Corolla E12. So first of all, you're going to need a 10mm socket plus a 16mm long socket for the spark plug itself, and then an extension and a wrench. In addition, you're going to use a torque wrench, and finally you are going to use the spark plugs themselves. So let's start. First, make sure that the engine is off and also the engine is cold, so you are not tackling with a warm engine. And then start to remove the 10mm nuts which lay over the engine cover here, and then the two clips back there. You just need to push for the clips to be released, and then you can put it aside. Before, you can see that they are nothing special. First, unplug these wiring harnesses here. And then do each separately so that you cannot miss the order of the wiring harnesses. Unscrew the holder here, and turn the coil and then bring it out. You can also take a look at it if there is oil or anything over that. It looks very good. Use the 16mm long socket plus an extension with the wrench. Be careful. I had problem taking them out, but I just put a cut of a glove into that, and it pretty much sticks, so you can maybe also use that. This is a comparison between the new and old. What you need to notice is definitely the distance between the both ends of the spark plug. You can see that the one on the left hand side is pretty much worn out. You need to notice the correct amount of the torque which is needed. So in this case, according to the NGK illustration here, we are having a ball seat here, not a cone seat. So for this kind of seat, you need to either apply 25 Newton meters for this kind of cylinder head, or you need to hand tighten it, and once it's done, fasten it between half a turn and 2/3 of a turn. So screw them back in. So it's now pretty much tight. Okay, let's try by turning it more than a half. So this is half. Must be enough. Now just put the coil back in its place. Looks good. And fasten the screw here. And just plug the socket in. Now you need to repeat this for all three other spark plugs. Okay, I have replaced all the spark plugs. Now I will just put the engine cover back again. That's it. Let me start the engine and see. thank you very much for watching. That was how you can change the spark plugs on a Toyota Corolla 2005. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe. See you.